How to change always on display clock style on your Vivo T4 Ultra, Vivo T4R, T4 Pro, T4X and other T4 devices or a latest FunTouch OS 15 version. By default, when you lock your phone and tap on the screen, you can see set the always on display clock style. If you don't see the any clock style, make sure enable the always on display. So first of all, enable always on display by go to the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down until the home screen, lock screen and wallpaper option. Tap on it. Here you can find the option always on display. Tap on it. At the top you can see the always on display toggle. Make sure toggle on this option to show the clock style or always on display information on your Vivo devices. So now tap on the AOD styles. Here you can see the list of different always on display styles you can apply like Star Adventure. Here you can see the four different Star Adventure clock style, beauty of a humidity, personalized style. We set the personalized style. Here you can see this style set currently on my device. Sensory clock, personalized sticker. You can create your own sticker also here. Digital clock, analog clock. If you want to set a simple clock style, you can set the digital clock or a simple clock. Signature, you can enter your signature here like this. Enter the any name you want on your device. So here we enter this. Tap on a done. You can change this position like this. On tap on apply to apply it. So add your signature. Also AOD tools that will helpful to add a multiple country clock here. So select any option like here we select the stationary clock on my device. So we select this option. Now here you can change the color also. You want like this. You can see the list of details show on your screen. So select the color or style, tap on apply button. Now in first time you need to access it, tap on agree. Now apply successfully. Lock your Vivo device and tap on the screen and you can see the apply the always on display clock style on your device. So you can easily change the your favorite always on display clock style. Also you can see this amazing clock style. You can see different clock style amazing like this. So which one is your favorite? You can also mention in the comment section. You can also customize it. Like here we select the analog clock like this on my phone. You can also see the different style in the analog clock. Also change this analog clock color also at the bottom like this. So also change the background like this. So you can see the different various multiple customization option in the always on display clock style or any other settings. Just tap on the apply button at the top right corner and lock your phone. You can see change the just tap on the screen to see the changes on always on display clock style on your Vivo T4 Ultra, T4R, T4 Pro, T4 Lite, T4X and any other latest Vivo devices. That's it. If you like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe.